ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulas provide safety and reliability for a range of vehicle applications. Material, ceramic. Basic shims, slots, and chamfers help to diminish noise, vibration, and braking harshness. No curing or machining required, ready to be installed right out of the box. Some ACDelco Silver parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Advantage. Economical value with dependable quality. For General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. Vehicle fitment. Cadillac, Escalade 2015 to 2020. Chevy, Silverado 1500, 2014, 2017, Suburban 2015 to 2018. Tahoe 2015 to 2017. GMC, Sierra 1500, 2014, 2017, Yukon 2015 to 2017, Yukon Denali 2016-2017. Top reviews from the United States. Got these used for rock bottom price. They came little chipped on the pad edge but didn't make any racket. And for half the price because the box was damaged. Sorta happy to save the money.